Hi, I'm Nika, and I'm super excited to share my drawing process with you today. Before I talk about the character I'm working on, I just have to say I recently got an iPad as a gift, and I'm so happy about it. Ever since I started digital art, I've always dreamed of having an iPad so I could draw in Procreate. Now I'm finally exploring it, and it's been such a fun experience. I really hope I can create lots of beautiful art with it. I used to work mostly in Photoshop, and I realized that the tools aren't what matter most. It's all about skill. These programs are pretty similar, and learning them isn't that hard. What really makes a difference is practice and improving your technique, I guess. So, the character I'm drawing right now is a cute girl with her little body. I haven't picked names for them, but while I was sketching, I started imagining the world they live in. In my imagination, she lives in a world that was destroyed after a big disaster. She lost her family and friends and had to fight to survive. One day, she finds a tiny cat who's also all alone, and from that moment, they become each other's only friend. In one of the poses, I wanted her expression to look angry to show the emotions of her story. Or maybe she's mad at me for giving her such a sad backstory. Who knows? I've always loved movies set in broken worlds. One reason is because I'm obsessed with the outfits and armor styles they use in those kind of films. For this drawing, I decided to create two poses for my character. One with an outfit that fits her world, and another with a simple, comfy look. You can check out the process in the video. It was such a joy to work on. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. See you in the next video and bye.